Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Rohit Tech. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to install Office 365 on macOS BigSur. Open Safari browser. Type google.com. Then press enter. Type office.com in Google search bar. Then press enter. Click on first link Office 365 login. Let's click on sign in. Now log on as Microsoft account. If you want download and install Office 365, first you will create Microsoft account, then you can purchase on Office 365 subscription for 1 year. In my case I have already created Microsoft account. Now fill Microsoft account. Click next. Enter the password. Click on sign in. I am not save my password, so I select not now. Click on yes. Now our Microsoft account log on successfully. If you want download Office 365 setup, let's click on install Office, but you have a valid subscription. If you don't have valid subscription you cannot able to download Office 365 setup. I have already download Office 365 setup. Let's minimize browser. Click on Finder. Click on Documents. This is our Office 365 setup folder. Let's double click on it. Right click on Software. Open with Installer. Click on Continue. Click on Continue again. Click on Agree. Click Install. Type password of Rohit user. Click Install software. The Office 365 installation was successful. Click on Close. Click OK. Now update the Microsoft application. Click on Update. Application was updated. Click on Launchpad. This is our Office 365 applications. Click on Microsoft Excel. Click on Sign in or Create account. Sign into valid Office 365 subscription Microsoft account. Click Next. Enter the password. Click on Sign in. Get started with Office, click on Continue. Click Start using Excel. Select Workbook. Click Create. Now our Excel workbook is open. Let's close Excel workbook. Click on Launchpad. Click on Microsoft Word. Click on Continue. Click Start using Word. Double-click on blank document. Now Word is open. Let's close Microsoft Word. So viewers, in this video you can learn how to install Office 365 in macOS. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.